Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite questions out of this review. So it's asking which equation best represents the slope-intercept form of the line that passes through point W and is parallel to point P. So first, that's going to be a keyword, parallel. So we remember parallel means the slope of the lines are the same. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to find the slope. So here are my points. I'm going to draw my slope triangle all the way over. So I know I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we went up 8. And now we went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over 10, and we reduce this to 4 over 5. So whatever equation I have, this has a slope of 4 over 5 because it is parallel. So I know I can get rid of C and I can get rid of D. Now I need to decide, okay, well, what is my y-intercept? Is it 29 over 5 or 21 over 5? And we're not going to eyeball it. We're not going to graph it. We are actually going to solve this algebraically. Okay, so look at point W. I have a point. Okay, write the ordered pair. Write point W as an ordered pair. Well, W is 1, 5. Okay, so now I have a point and I have a slope. I'm going to write this in point slope form. So we're back to our y minus y1 equals our m x minus x1. And now I'm going to plug this in. So I have y minus my y1 is 5 equals 4/5 x minus 1. And now here I'm solving. Y minus 5 equals 4/5 x minus 4/5. We're going to add 5 to both sides. Y equals 4/5 x. And then I have negative 4/5 plus 5. So that leaves me with 21/5. And that is my answer.